guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today's video is going to be a little bit different because I do not upload on Mondays. My regular upload is Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday, and this video is going to be a little bit emotional at the end. I really didn't want to be emotional, but this video is dedicated to Nikkietutorials and her brother Mikai. She uploaded a video yesterday talking about how her brother died from cancer, and I can see that she was very close to her brother. And I have cancer in my family. My mother died from throat cancer, and then my mother died from cancer. I don't remember. It was a long time. I was very young. I don't remember what cancer she died from, but yeah, cancer is very it's very close to me. I do have cancer in my family, and I myself can get cancer, so it's really hard watching that video. And I watched that video twice. I watched it and I was like, wow. I even cried when I was watching the video. And I did leave a comment saying that I'm gonna recreate her look. It doesn't have to be the same, but something red. She said, just wear something red or do this recreation of her video. So I decided to do it, and this is what I came up with, and I am pleased with it. And I just want to dedicate this video to Nikkietutorials and her brother Mikai. Nikki, if you're watching, or whenever in life you come across my video, this is for you. I am going to tag you on Instagram. I'm going to tag you on Instagram. And, I just want you to know that you're not alone. And I've been watching you since I started doing YouTube. I've been doing YouTube for over 2 years now, and I've been subscribed to you, and I've been watching you from day one. So I know that you're very strong. I could see that you're very strong, and just keep being strong. Your brother is in a better place. He's watching over you and your family, and you'll be fine. You have your YouTube family here. You have me, even though you don't know me, but I'm here for you, Nikki. And yeah, I really don't want to make this intro too long, but basically this is my recreation of the video that Nikkietutorials did, and I hope you guys enjoy my video. But before we get started into this video, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below, and also turn on that bell, because I do upload every single Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday. So yeah, let's jump right into this video. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with the eyes. I'm going to take my MAC concealer in NW45, and this is what I normally use to conceal my eyes and also clean it up. And I already went ahead and did my eyebrow off camera. Then I'm going to go ahead and set with my Patrick Star powder. So guys, as you already know from what I had said earlier in the intro, that I don't upload on Mondays. I normally upload on Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday. But when I watched this video yesterday, which is Sunday, I was like, oh my god. And I even left a comment saying that, listen Nikki, I'm gonna recreate this look for you and your brother Mikai, because I'm telling you, I watched this video twice and I was like, oh my god, I'm even tearing up right now. Like, look at my eyes, like thinking about it, and the way I feel like, she is sincere. She is, she's very awesome, and I can really tell that she was very, very, very close to her brother. And listen, I have twin brothers, and it would be so hard if I lose any of my family member that I'm close to. It would kill me. Like, I don't know if I could come on camera like her and talk about it and not bawl Like, it's crazy. So when I saw this video, I was like, okay, I have to do this. I've been watching Nikki for 2 years since I've been on YouTube. I've been on YouTube for 2 years, maybe 2.5 years, and I've been subscribed to her from the first time I watched her video. And I adore her. I love her talent. She's very talented, and she's super 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 sweet, even though I don't know her in person, but seeing her, you know, on camera, and just to have, I just feel the vibes with her. Like, if I meet her, I'm definitely gonna vibes with her, because on camera she look awesome, and she's just very nice. And I was like, okay, she said that, you know, recreate her look if I want to and all of that stuff. So, you know, I decided just to do this. You know, today's Monday. I don't upload on Mondays, as you guys know. Yesterday I did upload, and then afterwards I watched the video, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna go and turn the camera on and just do it. So I'm gonna go in with this Morphe. This is a 3502 palette, and it have red in it. I don't know if you could see it on camera, but this one is not like bright vivid red, but it's red. And then I might go into the Sahara by the Juvian Place palette, and it do have red in here. So these are the two palettes for now that I do have with, you know, a tint of red in it. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. I never did like red eyelid before, but today is the day I'm gonna do it. Okay guys, so I zoom in, and I'm gonna start with this color right here into the Morphe, and I'm gonna take it on a little, not a little, but a little fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and focus it right here on the outer corner right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it in. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my time. I'm not gonna go crazy with it, because it's best to put a little bit first and then go ahead and put a lot. Like, blend it out first, and then if you need to go in again, just do that. So make sure you start with a small applicator, and then go ahead and just blend it in. So it's red. It's red, not like bright vivid red, but it's red. So I'm gonna focus it right here in the outer corner and just blend it in. Okay, so now that I got the first color down, I'm gonna go ahead and use this color right here, and this is kind of like a darker red, but it's close to brown, and I'm gonna go ahead and use it on another brush. And this one is from Morphe. It doesn't have a name, it's just a Morphe. And I'm gonna go ahead and focus it. And you know what, I washed my brush. I just washed my brush because they were so dirty, and that's the reason why it looks like this. I just washed my brush, so right now it's a little bit damp. It's not fully dry, but I washed all of my brushes, all of them, and I was like, I have to do this video. I don't want to wait until these brushes are completely dry. I want to do this video. So it's very like out, like, you see how it is, because it's still wet. It's still wet, and you know what, I was like, okay, I still got to do this video. So I'm going to take this color, and I'm going to focus it right here on in the crease, because I just want to deepen the crease a little bit more, just a little bit like darker color, and just blend it in. And Nikki brother, I mean, come on, you guys already watched the video, but you know, Nikki brother died from cancer, and I have cancer in my family. My mother's mother died from throat cancer, and my father's mother died from cancer. So cancer is a dear to my heart. Like, cancer is worse than AIDS, HIV. From the day you found out you have cancer, you know, that's it. You know, cancer is very deadly. And he passed away from cancer, and it was very dear to me. It's very dear to me. Even my aunt right now, she have cervical cancer, but you know, she treats it and she go to the doctor and stuff like that. So I have cancer in my family, so I know what Nikki's feeling. My two grandmother died from cancer, so I really know what she's feeling right now, especially her brother that she's very close to. So you know, that's the reason why I really wanted to do this video. I wanted to do it so bad, and I was like, okay, I don't care if I have to go to work and come back and do this video and upload it. You know, I just want to do it for her. So yeah, pretty much, you know, that's how it is. It's cancer is a bad thing. Like it's so hard when you find out that, you know, your loved one have cancer. You know, it's like, what can you do? You know, some people survive from cancer like a survivor, and some people just don't. It just take over their whole entire body, and you know, you're doomed pretty much. So yeah, so I'm gonna go in with a clean brush, and it's harsh lines here, so I just have to blend out the harsh line because you don't want to see no harsh line anywhere. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take this golden color, like a champagne gold right here, and I'm gonna take it onto a flat brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and just go underneath the brow bone, because you just want a nice shimmer highlight right underneath the brow bone. So now I'm going to go ahead and carve out a little bit of the crease, not too much, just to put that shimmer color. So I'm going to go back into that champagne golden shade right here, and I'm going to take it onto my lid, and I'm also going to put a little bit of this color right here. And I'm going to go ahead and spray my brush, and I'm only going to focus the color right onto the crease, just where I put that concealer. And the color is very, very, very golden, as you can see. So right now it look kind of a little bit weird because you can see the line up top, but don't worry about that. I'm going to go ahead and fix it up. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the other color right on top. So now I'm going to go in with a smaller brush, and I'm going to take Jamila from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to go ahead and just blend out the harsh lines only. So next I'm going to go in with my Molly Mall Just Wing It eyeliner, and I'm going to do a small wing. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put on my mascara from Artistry Collection, and then afterwards I'm going to go ahead and put my lashes on. Okay guys, so now that the eyes are 95% done, I'm going to start with my face, and I'm going to go in with my Fenty, and I'm in the shade 420, and then I'm going to take the Fenty Pro Filter Primer and prime my face. And as you guys know, that this is one of my favorite foundation right now. I love it so much. It melts right into my skin. And this also reminds me of my MAC. Like, I love MAC. I love it so much. So I'm going to go ahead and do like 3 pumps, maybe 4 or 5. Who knows? I'm just extra, and just put it onto my face. So next I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D Lucky Concealer, and I'm just going to go ahead and conceal underneath the eyes and wherever it needs to conceal. And I'm also going to take it right here where I put that wing, just to clean it up. And I'm also going to go back into my Patrick Star powder and set my face. Next, I'm going to go into my contour kit and I'm going to go ahead and powder contour. You guys know that I do not cream contour. I just don't know why, but I hardly cream contour. I really hardly do. So next I'm going to go in with my MAC powder and I'm going to go ahead and brush off the powder that I have on my face and also under my eyes. So afterwards I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Blush Trio Cocktail Party and I'm going to go ahead and put a little blush, not a lot. So afterwards I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. And before that's completely dry, I'm going to go into my Alexis Ren with ColourPop. And I'm going to take this golden highlight right here. And it's very golden. Remind me of the Gold Deposit from MAC. And this blends right into your skin. So next I'm going to go in with my lip liner with Patrick Star from MAC. And this one is Brick. Then I'm going to go in with my Fenty Stunner. Is that what it's called? Yes. Stunner. I'm going to take my Stunner lip paint and go ahead and just finish off my lips. Okay guys, so this is the final of the tutorial. Nikki, if you're seeing this, I don't know if you're gonna see this, but whenever you come across my video, I'm doing this for you and your brother because why am I getting teary-eyed? Whoa. Cancer is in my family and I know how you're feeling. I know it's very hard for you because I could see that you was very close to your brother. Why am I crying? Okay, get it together. I was very close to my grandmother. She took care of my daughter when I had to go to work and I had to go to school. She came over to my house and she take care of my daughter. So I know that cancer is something that is in my family still. Even I could get cancer because it's a genetic thing, you know. So I know how you're feeling, and if someday you ever come across my video, I'm not doing this to get no clicks or to get no likes from nobody. I'm doing this because I saw your video and I was just, you know, pleased and everything. So this video is for Nikki and her brother Mikai. And I just hope that you enjoy my tutorial. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe before you leave. And yeah, I will definitely see you again in my next video. Bye guys.